Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about if-else statement in JavaScript, part of web technologies course. The if-else statement is a control flow statement in JavaScript that allows you to execute different code blocks based on whether a given condition is true or false. The basic syntax of the if-else statement is as follows. The condition is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value, either true or false. The code block following the if keyword is executed if the condition is true. And the code block following the else keyword is executed if the condition is false. For example, the condition is x greater than 0, which evaluates to true, so the code block following the if keyword is executed, and the message x is positive is printed to the console. An if-else statement can also include multiple conditions and nested if-else statements to handle more complex decision making. In this example, the outer if statement checks if x is greater than 0. If it is true, then it checks if x is less than 10. If it is true, the message x is a small positive number is printed. Otherwise, the message x is a large positive number is printed. If the outer if statement is false, the message x is not positive is printed. The if-else statement is a fundamental concept in programming and a common tool for controlling the flow of execution in JavaScript. It is important to use it in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.